Hey, I'm Kyle Rudisil, Senior Loan Originator with PrimeSource Funding, and I'm joined today by John Newman with the DeMail Realty team here in Rochester, and this is your Ask the Experts Common Questions series. Thanks for joining us today, John. How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing really good. Thanks for coming in today. And for those of you watching, please like, comment, and share to get entered in for a chance to win a $25 gift card to the new Smoke Barbecue here in town. So jumping right into the common question I get, which is, what is the FHA program? From the realtor side, could you talk a little bit about what that means for a buyer?
You bet. So with FHA, there are some similarities between FHA and a standard conventional loan. However, there are some differences as well. So one of those differences is how the appraisal process goes.
Right.
So an appraisal is something that the lender typically does to make sure that the home is worth the amount you're paying for it. In addition to that, with FHA, there are things that may come up that we call work orders. So one of the most common things that I see here as a realtor is peeling paint. So if there's any peeling paint on a property and you're going to be purchasing it with an FHA loan, that peeling paint has to be addressed, removed, and replaced.
That's right, and the reason for that is actually the FHA from the mortgage side, it's a federally insured program by the Federal Housing Administration. So they have some looser guidelines, but also some stricter guidelines, such as the appraisal. So from the other side of it, though, if you're trying to get approved for a home loan and you have a lower FICO score, so you're somewhere in like the 600 credit score range, or if you have high debt, you do have some more leeway than a conventional loan to still get a pre-approval to buy a home. But that's because, the program is taking on a little bit more risk, so you are going to pay a mortgage insurance for that as well. So something to keep in mind there, and then also know that sometimes appraisals aren't going to go as smooth on the FHA because they are more picky in that. So good things to know. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for watching the Common Question series.